Hey guys, welcome. Here's my way. Today.
Mary, are you on your phone? And your tablet?
Stop twerking.
So guys, today we
are
doing a video about how to fix board slime. So let's get into the video. And yep. Let's go. So here's my slime. So stretchy, but this is not the slime that we're going to be using. And you guys will see this slime in a future video. And I'm going to want to start a vlog.
No.
And I'm saving up to get actual camera, because I'm always live streaming, and I'm always on my phone using my phone camera. So yeah. You guys are gonna see this slime in a video that will be coming up.
Stand up, Hanabi.
Hanabi.
Very well then, I will take Hinata under my wing. But are you sure that's what you want?
Bro.
Okay.
She is your firstborn and heir to your
She
house.
tried to call my brother, but he won't answer.
Okay, so let me go get this super duper squishy slime, and we're gonna make it hard.
I'm dressed, get off the way. Huh? So what about your sister?
And I have to activate it anyways because it is super duper sticky. And I can have a sticky slime that I'm going to be selling
tomorrow.
So, watch my vlog tomorrow. I mean, watch my video tomorrow, because tomorrow we're gonna have a yard sale, and I'm selling slime. Yeah. Just stay tuned.
A friend's house that I was supposed to go to for her birthday. Yeah, my mom.
But this is a butter
slime. Spring break because I know she's planning on going somewhere.
Okay, so sorry about all the crinkling because I don't have any containers, so I'm using like bags right now. So go to the store and get some stuff, and I'm gonna be trying to vlog the whole day tomorrow so that you guys can see like what's going on. But I'm only gonna show my face and my face only. No one else's face because they can be on camera. I don't think so. But you can see that this slime is so pretty. But I'm gonna get my tablet, and
it's not like my mom leaves right away. She like stays for a little bit or like a while.
Okay. That's better. So you get to see the whole slime. Are you guys focusing? Focus, camera, focus, come on.
It's not walking here. It feels like the floor's wet.
Okay, so I had to take out the video real quick because my mom wasn't here and she doesn't like have her voice in the background, so in my videos, but just gonna mix.
Which Ajane still work that day?
But we're gonna go to Paris, so yeah. Look at this stuff. Look at this new stuff. And I got it a little darker because I added like a slime. Like it's hard, but it's so, like so soft. And you can see that it's a different pink. But I'm still gonna mix it. And I need to get it really hard. I'm kind of showing you like all my slimes, like because I only have 3 slimes, but we're gonna make more during the art sale because I'm gonna sell them at the art sale. So to get money to raise up for a camera, like I said. So we need to get this stuff really, well, not as hard, like, but hard. We need to get hard. Like, hard that it's not stretchy, but it's already not stretchy. And hard that it won't stick to you and it won't
my grandparents will not stay. My Uncle Taj is down there. He would go with us. He went last time.
And I would too. Because I love